Ever wondered what the world's richest man, Elon Musk, thinks about cryptocurrencies? Well, you're in for a treat. Our journey begins in the early 2010s. Around this time, Bitcoin was just beginning to gain traction, and Elon Musk, then CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, was still largely silent on the subject. Fast forward to 2014, and Musk's first public comments on Bitcoin emerge. He labels it a potentially useful means of legal transactions, but he's not entirely sold. He suggests that Bitcoin might be a good place to put capital that is illegal or in a gray area. In 2017, as Bitcoin's popularity skyrocketed, Musk denied rumors he was the mysterious Bitcoin creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite this, his interest in the cryptocurrency world was evident. The year 2018 marked a turning point. Musk tweeted about owning only 0.25 Bitcoin, a gift from a friend, showing a personal engagement with the digital currency. When 2019 rolled around, Musk's tone began to change. He started to see cryptocurrencies as a replacement for cash. In a podcast interview, he stated that the Bitcoin structure was quite brilliant. He also acknowledged the efficiency of Ethereum's smart contracts, but raised concerns about crypto's energy consumption. In the tumultuous year of 2020, Musk's engagement with crypto became more playful. He tweeted, "Bitcoin is my safe word." And later, "Just kidding, who needs a safe word anyway?" Musk's enthusiasm ramped up in 2021. He announced that Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and would accept it as payment for Tesla's electric cars. But the honeymoon was short-lived. Musk reversed the decision, citing environmental concerns over Bitcoin mining. Then came Dogecoin. Originally created as a joke, this cryptocurrency caught Musk's attention. He tweeted about it frequently, referring to it as the people's crypto, causing its value to skyrocket. As we stand today, in 2024, Musk's relationship with crypto remains complex. He has shown support for the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies, yet he's also sparked controversy with his influential tweets that sway crypto markets. In summary, Musk's views on crypto have evolved over time. He initially saw Bitcoin as a potentially useful tool for illegal transactions, but later recognized its potential to replace cash. He has expressed concerns about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, but has also endorsed Dogecoin, a less energy-intensive cryptocurrency. His involvement has been a roller coaster ride, full of intrigue and unpredictability, but one thing remains clear: Elon Musk believes in the potential of cryptocurrencies, even if he doesn't always agree with how they're currently used. And that, dear listeners, is the fascinating journey of Elon Musk in the world of cryptocurrencies.